Welcome to our video on proper skin care. The skin is the largest organ in our body and it is also one of the most visible parts. For this reason, it is important to give it the attention and care it needs to keep it healthy, radiant and young. In this video, we'll share expert tips and tricks for flawless skin. From the importance of using the right products to using natural products, we'll guide you every step of the way to beautiful, healthy skin. Let's get started. Skincare is a fundamental aspect of maintaining healthy and radiant skin. The skin is the largest organ in the human body and acts as a protective barrier against external elements, so it is important to pay attention to it and provide it with the necessary care to keep it in optimal condition. According to a study conducted by the American Academy of Dermatology, more than 80% of people experience skin problems throughout their lives, which shows the importance of a proper skincare routine. Furthermore, according to the American Cosmetic Association, the global market for skincare products was worth more than $180 billion in 2019, demonstrating the growing demand for effective products to maintain healthy skin. Here are some tips for proper skincare. Cleansing. Cleansing is a crucial step to keep the skin clean and free of impurities. It is recommended to use a mild cleanser specific to the skin type once or twice a day. Exfoliation. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and stimulate cell renewal. It is recommended to exfoliate the skin once or twice a week, depending on the type of skin. Hydration. Hydration is essential to keep skin soft and supple. It is recommended to use a moisturizing cream suitable for the skin type twice a day, in the morning and at night. Sun protection. Exposure to the sun can be harmful to the skin, since it can cause spots, wrinkles and premature aging. Therefore, it is important to protect the skin with an adequate sun protection factor every day, even on cloudy days. Adequate rest. Sleep is essential for skin health, since cell renewal occurs at night. Therefore, it is important to get enough sleep to keep your skin fresh and radiant. In addition to following these tips, it is important to take into account the following factors for proper skin care. Diet. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can help keep the skin healthy and protected. Foods like fruits, vegetables, fish, and nuts are essential for healthy skin. Hydration. Staying hydrated is important not just for your skin, but for your entire body. It is recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep the skin hydrated. Lifestyle. Lifestyle can also affect skin health. Tobacco, alcohol, and stress can have a negative impact on the skin, so it is important to avoid or limit them as much as possible. Appropriate products. It is important to use skincare products that are appropriate for your skin type and avoid products that contain harsh ingredients that can irritate the skin. In addition to basic care and the right products, there are many natural products that can help in skincare. Here are some of the most common and effective. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is known for its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for treating dry and problematic skin. It can also be used as a mild, natural cleanser. Honey. Honey is a natural and effective ingredient in skincare. It's moisturizing, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory, making it perfect for treating dry, sensitive, and problem skin. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a natural oil that resembles the skin sebum, making it ideal for all skin types. It is moisturizing and helps balance sebum production, making it perfect for oily and problem skin. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for treating dry, sunburned, and problem skin. It is also a key ingredient in many skincare products. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for treating troubled and sensitive skin. It can also be used as a massage oil to relax the skin and improve blood circulation. These are just a few examples of the many natural products that can help with skin care. It is important to do your research and consult with a professional before using any new product to ensure it is suitable for your skin type and to avoid potential adverse reactions. In conclusion, skincare is essential to maintain healthy and radiant skin. By following these tips and factors, you can help prevent skin problems and keep your skin in top condition. It is important to consult a dermatologist if you experience persistent skin problems or have concerns about the appropriate care routine for your skin type.